Hello world, welcome to Decode Mania. I am Sahil. Today in this video I am going to show you how to use Laravel Reverb in a React Starter Kit project that uses Inertia.js. Basically, when any post is updated, the information in this table will automatically change without reloading the page, updating only the changed post. Laravel Reverb uses WebSocket and Laravel Echo, and implementing it in any project is really easy. I will show you everything step by step, so let's get started. Before we begin, let me mention that I have already developed this CRUD application in my previous video using the Laravel React Starter Kit. If you haven't watched that video yet, make sure to check it out first. You will find the link in the description box. Now let's dive into today's video. Okay, so first what I will do is I will go to my project. So this is my project inside VS Code, and I already started development server. Now first let me go to the browser and open laravel.com and click on documentation. Here I will search for Laravel Reverb. Okay, now here first I will install the Laravel Reverb using this command. So just copy this command and go to your project. I will split this terminal into parts. Now here I will paste the command, just paste the command here and press enter, and again press enter. Now it will download the Laravel Reverb package into this project, so let's wait. Okay, so here you can see the Laravel Reverb installed successfully. Now let's close this terminal. Before going further, let me show you what happens when we just used this command. Okay, so here you can see there are total 6 changes happened in our project. So you can see this app.php inside bootstrap have these changes. So this added channels, okay, in web routing. So nothing to do here. I am just showing you. Okay, so let's close this file, and there is also some changes in this config file, that is broadcasting.php file. I think this is created a new file. Okay, so close this also. This is also created a new file, that is echo.js in the resources js directory. Okay, so let's close this, and it also added a file in routes directory, that is channels.php. so nothing to do here also. Let's close this file also, and the changes also happened in package.json and package lock.json. so no need to take any action on these files. Just close all the files, and next what I will do is I will just go to the documentation here. Now here you can see it added some credentials. Let me show you. So if you go to .env file, then if you scroll below, then here you can see it added reverb app id, reverb app key, and all the secrets and credential, okay, automatically. So no need to change anything. Let's close this. Now next what I will do is I will start the reverb server. Okay, so to start reverb server, here I will write php artisan reverb :start. Okay, now press enter. Now here you can see the reverb development server has been started to the port 8080. Okay, now let's open a new terminal here. Now in this terminal what I will do is I will create a new event. Okay, so our event will be for post updated. Okay, so whenever we go to edit and change something in this post and click on update post, then we will send an event. Okay, so for that we need to create an event. Okay, so how to create an event, let me show you. php artisan make : event, and here I will write post updated. Okay, then press enter. Now here you can see this created a file. So let me show you where the file is created. So if you go to app directory, then in this event directory you can see this is the post updated.php file. Now here what I will do is I will do something. Okay, so let me save this file first. Now here in construct method, first I will declare a property that is public post. Okay, and inside the construct method I will use post model. Just import this post model above here like this. Okay, and just use a post, and then use this post is equal to post. Okay, we will initialize this property with this post here. Okay, using this keyword. Now here in broadcast on I will use only channel. Okay, so just remove this private and only keep this channel. Okay, so we need to import this, so just import it, and in channel name let's remove this one, and here I will write posts. Okay, and next I will do one more thing. Here in this class I will implement should broadcast. Okay, should broadcast, and this is already imported here. You can see should broadcast. Okay, so this event file is ready. Now next what I will do is I will go to the post controller. Okay, so let me close this file. Now go to http directory, then controllers, and open this post controller.php file. Now let's scroll below to the update method. So this is the update method. Now here we will send a broadcast to the event that we just created. Okay, with the post which is updated. Okay, so here just after the post updated, here we will use broadcast method, and here I will use new, and then I will use post updated event, and here I will pass the post which is updated. Okay, and here we will use two others. That's it, and here we do not need to do anything more, just write this line of code. Okay, and make sure to import this event file here like this. Okay, now next what I will do is just close this file, and let me go to resources JS, and then this is the echo.js file. So we need to include this file here inside the app.tsx file. Okay, so here just write import, and here I will use echo. Okay, that's it. Just save this file. Now close this file. Now next we will go to this pages directory, and then go to the this posts directory, and this index.php this index.tsx file is this posts page file. Okay, so here we will do some changes so that whenever a post is updated, then this information, this whatever you see in this table content is updated automatically. Okay, so here what I will do is I will first go to here, and this is the all post coming from the controller. Okay, so before writing the actual logic to update the post automatically in the table, let's first create a state. Okay, so here I will create const, and I will write all posts, and here I will use set all posts, and then I will use state React hook, and then I will use angle bracket here, and in type I will use post type which is already defined above. Okay, now next what I will do is I will use here arrow big bracket symbol, and then I will initialize with the data. So all datas are coming inside this post dot data. Okay, Now if I go to the browser and reload, then you can see this is still working, but I will change here something like here. So instead of post.data, here I will use all posts. Okay, now if I reload, then you can see this is still working. Now next what I will do is I will go above, and here I will modify this use effect hook inside this hook. Okay, so first let me come here, and here what I will do is I will use const channel. Const channel is equal to window.echo channel, and here the channel name is posts, and then I will use listen. So we will listen the event. Okay, so here we will use listen, and then we need to write the event class name. So event class name is post created, and then what I will do is I will destructure the post. So here I will write post. Okay, and we need to define the post type here. So I already defined the post type, so I will use it here. So here I will use post, and then post type post type. Okay, and then I will use arrow, and then inside here what I will do is, let me first show you. So if I just use console log here, and here I will write post only. Okay, if I save this and go to the browser, and let me open the console here, let me keep it like this, reload the page. Okay, now if I go to edit, and let me do some modification here and click on update, then you can see post updated successfully, and we are not getting anything here. Let me check. Okay, so everything is fine here. Okay, this is the updated post. Actually here we have write the wrong class name. Here we have written post created, so here we need to write post updated. Okay, now if I reload, and let me go to edit again, and if I change the status and click on update post, then you can see post updated successfully. But let me go to network, and I think something is wrong happening. Okay, let me go to the console. Okay, so in console we are getting the updated post. I think some delays. Okay, so let me go to the terminal, and let me stop the reverb server and restart again. Okay, and close this. Now let's reload again and go to edit. Now if I change anything here and click on update post, then you can see post updated successfully, and here we are getting the updated post detail in the log. Okay, you can see category DC, content demo content, and image, slug, status, title, black widow, and updated user ID also. Okay, so we are getting all the detail of this post. Okay, now we will change this table data automatically according to these changes. Okay, so for this what I will do is I will just remove this console.log, and here I will use set all posts, and here first we will use this previous. So we will check in previous post that the updated post is available or not. So here I will again write previous dot map. So we will map through all the previous post, and for the previous I am using just p here. Okay, and then I will use p dot id. Okay, so previous post id I will compare with the previous post id from the updated post. Okay, so here I am using triple is equal to and post dot id. So if this matches, then I will just use post here, or if do not match, then I will keep the previous post here. Okay, that's it, no need to write anything extra. Now here I will use return statement. Okay, return. Now in return I will use channel, and then I will use stop listening post updated event. Okay, and I will also use window dot echo dot leave, and I will write posts. Okay, and I think all done. Now next, these two lines will stop any memory leak once the post is gets updated. So this will return and stop any memory leak. Okay, that's why I have written this. Okay, now here the VS Code complaining that property echo does not exist on the window and type of globe this. So we need to define the type of this echo here. Okay, so just go above, and here I will use declare global interface window, and here I will use echo, and here I will write any. Okay, now here the warning has gone, but here a warning showing unexpected any specify different type. So here I will just suppress this. So here I will just use disable. Okay, now there is no warning. Okay, now let's save all and go to the browser, reload. Now let's open a new browser. So I'll open this Chrome. Okay, and in Chrome I will open my project. Okay, let me log in here. Okay, so here you can see I have logged in with in another browser, and this is the another browser. Let me close this one. Let me open side by side, so you will know better when I update the post, then how it automatically changes. Okay, so let me just let me stick it here and one more here. Okay, now this is in another browser and this is in another browser. Now let me make any changes here and see if it automatically updates the content here in this browser. Okay, so let me go to the first post and change the status to inactive, and change the title. So let me remove this window here, actually the title was wrong, window, and let me click on update post. So you can see post updated successfully. Now here you can see the title is now updated and status is now inactive. So it updated automatically without any page reload. So this is the real time changes happened using Laravel Reverb, and using an event this table content has been updated. Okay, let me change one more. Let me go to this Groot Marvel. We can also make modification here, and the content will updated automatically here also. Okay, so let me do it here. So go to group marble, let me remove this marble here and change this status from active to inactive and click on update post. So you can see here the post is updated. Now let me see here. So you can see the post here also gets updated automatically with the title and this status. So we can change anything. Okay, let me show you. So if I click on edit here and if I change the content like taste content and let me change the image also. So file, I'm selecting this one and if I click on update post, then you can see the post updated successfully, and here also you can see the content and image is automatically updated. Okay, so all these changes are happening real time without page reload. So this is all about Laravel Reverb in React Starter Kit. I hope you like this video. If you like it, then like this video, share this video, and please subscribe this channel for more tutorial like this. Okay, thanks.